Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today I'm recording at my sister Marty's home. She's had surgery on her hand for her rheumatoid arthritis and her wrist, and she is resting in that room. Shh. Her husband's at work, and my sister Patty and I are taking care of Marty and our parents, alternating between the two. But at night, when I'm taking care of Marty, I can go home because her husband will be home then. Anyway, so today is Wednesday, and what are we going to do today? Well, we're going to work on our 3-layer cake. Our first layer is to do our routine. So the first thing you're going to do is your morning routine. You're going to get up and make your bed. You're going to go in the bathroom and wash your face, brush your teeth, put on your moisturizer, fix your hair, get your clothes on, put your pajamas away, wipe out the sink, swish the toilet, go to the kitchen, empty the dishwasher, start some coffee. You're done. Now go watch your kids do the same sort of thing. They're going to make their bed, go in the bathroom, wash their face, brush their teeth, put on their clothes, put their pajamas away, wipe the toothpaste out of the clean sink, leave the bathroom the way you left it, hang up their towel, come to the kitchen, eat some breakfast, and they're done. Okay, these are very basic routines. The second thing you're going to do right after lunch, if you're staying home, you're going to start laundry. While the laundry's going, you're going to go through an inch of your paper. None of this is huge. It's all little. But all these little bits add up, just like inch by inch, it's a cinch. Eating an elephant one bite at a time. There are so many things that describe this because it's a common knowledge thing that none of us want to accept for truth, but it is true. It will go away. All right, so if you're working, you're not going to do those other two routines, the laundry and the paper. You're going to do that when you get home in the afternoon. And then after dinner, we're all going to do our after dinner routine with the whole family, and then our before bed routine. Okay? All right. And then the kids' before bed routine. Remember before bed routine? For the children, it's give them a 25-minute warning and then another 5 minutes. It's not really a warning, it's a reminder. So you're not going to just abruptly say it's time for bed. Have them pick up the stuff they were playing with. Have them pick out their clothes for tomorrow. Get their pajamas, go in the bathroom, take their bath, wash their face. If they wash their hair, you know, you're going to help them with their hair, especially the girls. Brush their teeth, hang up their towel, make it convenient for them. Have some mercy. They can't reach all the way up there to hang their towels, and so they'll end up in a wet lump on the floor. More work for you and disappointment for them. So help them by giving them hooks or something they can reach. Pick out a book, get in bed, read a book, and about 15 minutes before they need to be asleep is when you're reading this book, and then leave the room and they're going to bed for the night. Now you get ready for bed. If you want to, you can wait a little later. Don't wait too late. Remember that you need 6, 7, or 8 hours of sleep. Some of you need 9. So work out what that is and make sure you start 30 minutes before so that you have time to get it done and be in the bed in time to relax. Adults need about 30 minutes to relax. Now, I can fall asleep when my head hits the pillow, and a lot of people can, but a lot of people can't. 30 minutes is what most people need to relax. Children need 15. Okay, so you're going to check your planner. You're going to make sure that you have wiped out the sink, that you've turned on your dishwasher. Do you do a last-minute clutter check to make sure you haven't recluttered an area that you just decluttered? You're going to go lay out your clothes for tomorrow because you've looked at your planner and you know what you're going to wear tomorrow based on what you're doing. Also, you're going to take out anything that you need for dinner tomorrow out of the freezer. So those are things that are taken care of. And then you're going to go get yourself ready for bed, wash your face, brush your teeth, put on some moisturizer, comb your hair, put on your PJs, put your clothes away, either in the dirty clothes or hang them up or spot them and let them dry, whatever it is you need to do, and get something to relax with, get in bed and go to sleep. Okay? You notice I don't talk about reading your Bible in these because I consider that extra. It's not an evening routine or a morning routine, it's your Bible routine. So if your Bible routine includes reading the Bible in bed, then add it to your routine, but back up the time. If you're going to read for 15 minutes, then give yourself 15 more minutes. If you constantly think you're going to read for 15 minutes, but read for an hour, then back it up for an hour. That's your before bed routine. Okay, so anyway, we've gotten the routines under control. So we're going to do zone 2, which is the kitchen. So after you've done your morning routine, the laundry and the paper routine, or if you worked and you came home and did your laundry and the paper routine, laundry's going, now you're going to go start supper. While that's holding, once you get it to a holding point, then you're going to work for 15 minutes in your kitchen if you need to declutter, or 10 minutes if you need to just deep clean one thing, okay? Then serve dinner. Everyone has dinner. Then we all come together and clean our kitchens together with our children. No hard jobs, only little easy jobs for everyone. And then afterwards, enjoy the evening together, and then go finish your laundry. Remember, it's not finished until it's folded, hung up and put away, okay? And if your children are going to put theirs away, then you have to go watch. You have to inspect what you expect. Make sure that they are putting them away. If it's not their fault because the drawers are jammed full of stuff, then you can't blame them and need to work on getting those drawers cleaned out. That also is a 5 or 10 minute job, one drawer at a time. That's it. Okay, that's it for today. Let's see. Oh, Wednesday is our weekly planning day. So if you're at home, after you've done your kitchen, then you're going to get out your planner. You're going to go look in your refrigerator and see what's in there, what needs to be thrown away, what you can make into food for the week. You're going to check your freezer and your pantry, and then figure out what you can eat and make a menu. And then if you're missing something to finish that menu, put that on the list. That's all a grocery list is. It's not this divine plan of making these fabulous foods. It's just some basic everyday needs that you fill in with some things that you still need. You're out of eggs, you're out of butter, you're out of milk. Oh, you'll need noodles. Oh, you need spaghetti sauce for these meals you've planned out of your pantry. So that's what goes on your list, and you won't spend as much, and you'll also find that you won't have as much waste, okay? All right. Also on this day, you're going to check your balance. You're going to go over your budget. You're going to stay under your budget by at least $1 on that weekly grocery shopping. You're going to make sure nothing weird is happening in your checking account or in your credit card balance. You're going to check and make sure there's no fraud happening, or you haven't gone out of control. And that's about it. Now you're going to look in your planner and you're going to plan out from now till next Wednesday. What are you doing every day? What zone are we in? We're in zone 2 through Friday, or if you're a payroll flybaby, through Saturday. And then on Monday, that's zone 3, the bathroom and one other room. And you're going to plan out Monday is weekly home blessing hour, or if you've decided to split weekly home blessing hour up over the week, then you put one thing a day in your book for yourself to do or to delegate to someone else. And you're going to look and say, okay, Tuesday is my free day. Wednesday, that means no zone work. Wednesday is planning a desk day. If you work, you're going to do these things at work. If you have anything in your inbox that requires action, put it in your purse and handle it at work. If you have a lunch hour, which most people do, and you have 2 breaks, which most people do, you can get it all done during those times and still have your break from work and enjoy some food. You can do it. Okay, and then, and the reason I say that is because I did it for like 40 years, so I know you can do it. All right, and I had different jobs, not just one job. I've worked several different jobs that are different, yet I still was able to do that. So unless you have a very strange job where you do not get any breaks, which is mostly against the law, then you can do it. So figure out how to do it. I can't figure out everything for you. You can figure it out. Look at your planner. Look at your time. Or if you work maybe 3 gigantic days all crammed together with no breaks, and you have 4 days off, then you have time there to do these jobs, okay? So just use your head, use your planner, use it as a tool, and figure out how to get these little jobs done. Where will you do them? They don't take long. All right, the next thing we're going to talk about is Thursday. Thursday is your, what is Thursday? Errand day. It's where you actually go buy your groceries and run your errands. You can do that on lunch hour too. No groceries, but you can do all the other errands, and you can order your groceries. Friday is a car and purse day and date night. Saturday is family fun day, unless you work, in which it is still family fun day, but the morning is going to be some of these things you couldn't do during the week done on Saturday morning, and Sunday is renew your spirit. I know this was a little longer than usual, but I wanted to give you a fill-in to remind you what we're doing every day, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I want you to always remember that you are beautiful.